Welcome to Car in 3 Minutes. Today we are going to present the new Mercedes EQS, the ultimate electric luxury sedan. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the engine options, practicality for families, including trunk space and back seat space, general comfort, car features, consumption, driving characteristics, and more. So, let's dive in. The Mercedes EQS is an electric car with two available battery sizes, the 90 kWh and the 107.8 kWh. The 90 kWh model has a range of up to 640 km, while the 108 kWh model can go up to 785 km on a single charge. The electric motor produces up to 385 kilowatts, equivalent to 516 horsepower, and the EQS can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.3 seconds. The EQS is a spacious car, with plenty of room for families. The trunk has a capacity of 623 liters, and the rear seats can comfortably accommodate 3 passengers. The car's dimensions are 5,216 mm long, 1926 mm wide, and 1,512 mm tall, providing ample space for passengers and luggage. The EQS is designed with luxury and comfort in mind. The car's interior is spacious and well-appointed, with high-quality materials and finishes throughout. The front seats are power-adjustable and can be heated, ventilated, and even offer a massage function. The car's air suspension provides a smooth ride, and the cabin is well insulated, providing a quiet and comfortable environment. Car features: the EQS comes packed with advanced features, including a 56-inch hyperscreen display that spans the entire dashboard, providing access to all of the car's controls and features. The car also features the latest version of Mercedes MBUX infotainment system, which includes voice control, navigation, and connectivity to smartphones and other devices. The EQS is a highly efficient electric car, with a combined energy consumption of 18.9 kWh per 100 km. The car also supports fast charging, with up to 200 kilowatts charging capability, allowing for a 10 to 80% charge in just 31 minutes. The EQS is a pleasure to drive, with responsive handling and a smooth, quiet ride. The car's electric motor provides instant torque, and the car feels agile and responsive, even at higher speeds. The car also features advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Overall, the Mercedes EQS is an exceptional electric luxury sedan, with impressive performance, comfort, and features. It's a great car for families, with ample space and practicality, and it's also a pleasure to drive, with responsive handling and advanced safety features. So, if you're in the market for an electric luxury sedan, the Mercedes EQS is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching our review of the new Mercedes EQS. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more great car reviews and other content.